Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Get bigger and bigger and bigger. Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another update. We're mid-January. I'm a little bit late, but I have some great news to share. We've been doing updates each month, letting all of our customers know what's going on in the Big Jeff world. And I didn't even realize this actually works with my employees. You know, we employ almost 30 people. We're starting now to put remote salespeople on with a bunch of new program upgrades this year. Resources we're going to be using, taking advantage of technology. So if any of you out there are car audio people and you have some sales background, definitely hit us up. info@bigjeffonlineinc.com. You can go to the website and chat. You can send a message through any of the social medias. All those are .com/Big Jeff Audio. Send in a resume. We will be able to now put on wholesale sales reps remotely. Everything will be done through a computer, calls, emails, sales, everything. Well, let's get to it. So I am late. It is mid-January already. It's been just, it's been crazy. I don't know. I feel like, and it's not even that busy in sales-wise. It just seems like this place is so busy and we just keep trying to catch up. We got a bunch of new people that we hired on our online creative team. We have new people in the customer service team. We constantly look for better and better people in the warehouse. You know, we take pride in getting orders out within 24 hours. I can't tell you how many companies out there don't care about that. They don't care about when you call, there's somebody there to answer. Those are the things that separate Big Jeff Audio from the rest of the online sellers and also the wholesale community for dealers, that we go to that extent. So let's talk some new things. So the last day of last year, basically that Friday, got the confirmation about Kicker, Stillwater. That's incredible. It blows my mind that we're not even 5 years old and have lines like Rockford and Kicker. Unfortunately, it's not going to be a wholesale line, but we will be a fully authorized dealer and retail seller on the bigjeffaudio.com website. And they said, let's go from there. I mean, that's a huge thing. You know, Kicker is one of those names that I don't care who you are, what age, you just know about Kicker. So it's incredible. Hate putting stuff out before it's done, but we're actually in the talks with Pioneer, Oncanoe, and we're not talking about car audio, we're talking about home audio. If that goes through, that would be awesome. We do dibble and dabble in home audio for outdoor type speakers and in ceiling and wall like surround sound, and having access to actual receivers is going to be incredible. So that's in the works. You all know about Marts Digital, powered by Tower Amp. That's been slowly taken off. You know, it's a brand new line that nobody knows about. We were the first ones with it in the U.S. That's another crazy thing to fathom, that a company like that from Brazil would reach out and say, hey, we want you to distribute the product. We want you to be exclusive on Amazon and control it so it stays in MAP. And, you know, that just, it blows my mind. Again, you know, I feel like sometimes I'm just a small fish in a big pond because there's a ton of online guys out there that have been doing this for 10 years. And there's a ton of distribution companies that I know feel that name, Big Jeff Audio, which is cool. But what else we got? I really didn't talk much about it, and I feel bad. We brought in SoundCubed, working with John Rabe at Sky High Audio. And in fact, John is another big online guy that really took off. I give him a lot of props, man, because this last year he brought in so many different lines. But he worked with me. You know, we're on different coasts. He's in Nevada. We're over here in Florida. So we worked out a deal with Trinity Audio, and that stuff's been selling good. Hopefully they get replenished up pretty quickly on inventory, and also SoundCubed. And I was like, yeah, let's ride with it, So we do have that wholesale and also e-commerce. and just noticed because I just been so busy. Wow, I need to place another Sound Cube order. We're selling through stuff, so man, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't really got to play with the brand yet. I can't even tell you anything about it except that I know it's an old school brand that kind of got replenished, and people are loving it. People ask for it, so that's really cool. What else we got going on? Just met with Rockford, which we kind of do yearly to go over. When you're dealing with big companies like that, it's like a whole nother level, and nothing take away from any other brand. But when you're in that jail audio, Kicker, Rockford, Alpine. I mean, it's a whole nother world dealing with the manufacturers and the companies. But we're actually got a couple things coming out that I think will be real good for everybody. Even here, we were just talking about at the shop. They have a live feed to Rockford, like an internet box that we can wire up to a flat screen, and then it'll play Rockford all day long. Info videos, music videos, everything, and then they do trainings with that. So we're actually in the process of setting that up, which is going to be really cool for the local customers that come in. We got this gazebo set up, kind of weird, but it's got a waterfall and everything, and then there's a place to sit, real relaxing. But it's also a good thing for my staff to get trained. That's one of my biggest things this year. Everybody has their New Year's resolutions. Well, I mean, I work crazy hours. Anybody that knows me personally or works for me knows I'm definitely not one to sit back and point fingers. I am here literally sometimes 15 hours plus and at least 6 days and sometimes 7 days. So part of my New Year's was to hire more people and better people. It's about building a team, man. It's like I've been through so many employees, and everybody hears the labor shortage and the war stories, and you might even work in your own industry and see people come and go. But it's crazy in this area. It's crazy how people just don't take the jobs as serious. And in this type of job, like, you got to put your all into it, because like cardio is fun. It's energetic. It's supposed to be. And then on top of it, we're in like a new industry with the whole e-commerce thing and wholesale, and like we're doing things that other companies aren't. And I look for people that want to take pride in their work, people that want to be told good job, because those are the people that are putting their all in, not just clocking in and clocking out. And even in the warehouse, I try to explain how important it is. Customers, when they order stuff, they want their stuff right away. That's one. They want it properly, shipped and in good condition. That's two. And we take pride in shipping everything within 24 hours. Like, people talk about it, but I hear the words. I've ordered stuff just to see how it comes and waited days, weeks before it even shipped. There's so many places out there that say they stock it, but they're drop shipping. We sell at a lot of places like that. The difference is when they put the order in and we drop ship it for them, basically where they're selling it on their site and we're sending it for them, we do it right away. So even people ordering through those guys, when it's coming from us, man, it's crazy because we take pride in that. So let's see what else we got for updates. We are changing so many things here right now, and I mean this crazy. Like, we've just a big company. We have to have QuickBooks Enterprise, huge program, but we're actually going to a new online thing they have that's like Enterprise that we can do so much with. Used to be that online, which for smaller type, easy invoicing, customer stuff like that. But then we're switching over. It's I'm gonna give them a shout out. It's called gorgeous.com. Man, so we use, obviously, I don't answer everything. I'm not responding to all the messages online. I'm sorry if you think I do. There's no way. We have such a large presence on multiple platforms. I have a team of people all day. That's all they do. So we have a program that brings all the emails, the chats, the social media, all into a spot so we can communicate with the customers, either be retail or wholesale. And we're actually switching over to a company called gorgeous.com. It's going to be crazy. We're going to be able to talk to you through the phone and text you at the same time, and all your past orders will come together. And even if you started with us from eBay and then got to the website or maybe even Amazon, it'll put it all together. It is insane what we can do. And this is also allowing us to start to hire wholesale sales reps remotely, because through the computer technology, it's like they're here. So between having Teams, Microsoft, and having Gorgeous and also online, a sales rep could be in Alaska, like they're just sitting here, you're calling here, you're talking with them. So that's really cool. Another big switch, obviously we have, I think it's over 4,000 plus listings online. We have to manage all those, the inventory, the prices, where we can sell it at, where we're not allowed to sell it at, things like that. So we use software, and we just switching that at the same time to a new one called Zentel. Man, it's like crazy. So like the trifecta of accounting, listing software, and CSR or CRM is all changing right now. So I know I'm being hard on my staff right now. I'm pushing everybody. But we're going to get through it. And what it means for you and why I'm telling you, man, it's just going to make this whole thing better. I mean, a better way to process the orders, a better way to get the product up online and be 100%. If you ever notice, you look at our stuff, it's our pictures. We even put on a turntable and spin it, man. We go to the extra mile, and that's what separates us. And then the communication, I pop in, I read some of these. I feel bad, actually, and if he's watching this, you'll know. Didn't realize it till the end of the chat, but there was a wife, girlfriend, whatever. He ordered, I guess, some speakers from us, and when it came, he told her that it was a giveaway. So she was kind of interrogating us, and that's why I took it over from my staff, because I said, this is kind of weird. She's asking, do we normally give stuff away and charge for shipping and this and that? And I'm just like, I didn't understand till the end, but I guess I screwed him up, because I told her we haven't done a giveaway in a little bit, so it can't be from us. So, but the communication and with the programs we're doing, man, it's going to be crazy. I just brought back a guy from the outside of Miami, Ellie. He's going to be doing a lot of our online marketing again. There's just so many moving parts here. You guys and girls have no clue what it takes just to get through one day here. So I'm here on a Saturday. I'm doing my monthly, which is late, update, and I'm letting you know we just signed with Kicker. You see, we got Timpano back, which has been moving really good. We got the Marts Digital, the Sound Cube. DS18's been dropping, just part after part. They got their own now, nice, really nice ones. Double DINs, extendeds, the oversized 10-inch with Android and CarPlay and everything else. So those just dropped. A bunch of new Harley Davidson amplifier install kits for bikes, which can be used for everything. So you got nice copper wire, and it's already got the ends on it and the fuse holder. They just dropped some waterproof, not water resistant. They have that waterproof speakers for a bike. So DS18 is dropping that. It's just been one thing after another. I feel like every day we're just handing more and more product off, and I'm running out of space. So listen, I need y'all to take some of this tax return money and start spending it here. Help us clear some out. We got a bunch of ways to finance you: Catapult, America Finance, Snap, Acima, Affirm. So on our website, it's generally either Affirm or Catapult, but if you need to call in to customer service, we could try 4 or 5 different ways to get you financed. Do the financing now. When the tax return money comes in paid off, you get a discount paying it off in 100 days. So, that's one way to get your stuff now. Let's see what else we got going on. Man, there's actually a lot in the works. I'll probably pull that up at the next month's meeting. I'm going to try to make it earlier. But, this is a time where every time I thank you all for being you. I thank you for sticking it out. To this day, I have no trolls. I got no problems. I got more beef and problems with other manufacturers and distributors, really, than all the thousands of customers out there, and I appreciate that. Our YouTube page is getting bigger and bigger. Awesome. Parker, the Basshead's been killing it. Man, what else? Actually, I just got done talking with Williston. He might be doing some of the reviews for us on the Marts Digital and stuff, so I got that in the works. Steve Mead, shout out to Steve Mead, man. That guy is so busy, man, but he took time to call me up, and we had an issue. We carry a lot of his products. He's having a hard time getting parts. I completely understand, but he took the time just to call me and just talk to me, and I know how busy he is. He's like me, and I appreciate that. So a big shout out to you. John at Sky High, big shout out. We're actually going to be bringing in some of the Sky High product, helping distribute it on this side. Wire connectors, the speakers. So that's coming real soon. Man, it's all about working network and, making relationships like this. People say, why don't you make your own line? There's so many lines out there, man. I just want to be that guy that can offer all of them to you at great prices and work with different people. Maybe one day there'll be a big Jeff line, but you know what? It's just another line. There's so many. I want to focus my time on the brands we have and the customers we have. So listen, make sure you leave us some Google reviews. Go to youtube.com/Marts youtube.com/Big Jeff Audio. Make sure you subscribe to that. We're going to be doing more and more videos. I need a few more weeks, and I'm going to get back in this chair in front of this green screen doing unboxings. We got the Hair Tricks for $1 vehicle that's about to get built. That was the Yukon I bought. It's going to get wrapped in 2 weeks, and it's headed off to my boy to start building it. Hair Tricks for $1. Crazy name, but that's what we're doing it for. We're going to do hair tricks. You pay $1, but the $1 is going to get donated either to breast cancer awareness or something. So every $1 we collect, and if you ain't got it, I'll put the $1 in for you. But we're doing that. I mean, there's so many things going on. It's crazy right now, man. I feel like I'm just going nuts talking because there's that much going on. But listen, it is 4:31 on a Saturday. It is January 14th. Hope everybody had a great holidays, Happy New Year, and now it's time to get busy. So listen, share us, like us, email us, text us. I see you all on Facebook when you're making copies of our listings. Man, that just makes me like smile when I see people like asking questions to other people. What should I get? What should I do? And it's a picture or a screenshot from either our website or eBay or something, man, and I appreciate that. I'm a humble person. I know I got a big head, but it ain't that big. I appreciate y'all. It's Big Jeff signing off for January update. I'm going to see you in February. There's going to be some more stuff coming. See you.